10 things you should buy after Christmas sales. Guys, 50% off is the typical the day or two after Christmas, and then around January 1st, it goes to 75%, and then around January 3rd, anywhere from the 2nd to the 3rd or 4th, it goes to 90%, and these are some of the things that you should be buying to save money for next Christmas. Number one, baking supplies. Yes, your sprinkles, your molds, your mixes, all those kinds of things. I'm gonna put the mixes actually in another category, but all of your baking supplies. I found these chocolate bars. They are $1. 50 cents for baking chocolate is a really good deal. I would take all of it if it was on there, because that's just a really stinking good deal, and most people don't bake anymore. And of course, you want to use the recipes in our Dining on a Dime cookbook for all of this baking stuff. Guys, this is how I do all my Christmas candy baking for super cheap. It's 25% off. Go check it out at livingonadime.com. Boxed chocolates. These boxed chocolates are great for Valentine's Day. They don't have any Christmas anything on them. $5 for a pound of chocolates. It makes a great gag gift. So like for those Secret Santa things, even though the expiration date says April 2023, these will certainly last until next Christmas. Best Buy does not mean it's spoiled. And honestly, those Best Buy dates are getting shorter and shorter, I'm noticing. And I think it's just because they want you to throw it out and buy more next time. So chocolates, you've got at least 2 years past the Best Buy date easily before anything really starts tasting bad. So get those for birthdays, Christmas, Secret Santas, all those types of things. Really good deal. Next, your Hershey's Kisses. Now, guys, you can use the green Hershey's Kisses for St. Patrick's Day and the red Hershey's Kisses for Valentine's Day. And you could use a mix of them for Easter also if you needed. But make sure they're actually cheaper buying them at half price than it is just the regular price for Hershey's Kisses. Sometimes it's not cheaper. So do your homework. Make sure it's actually cheaper before you buy them. Chocolate in general. Now, these giant Hershey's Kisses was $5.50 for, I think, 12 ounces. But then when you walked just not even a half a aisle over, just right down a couple of boxes was the bags of Hershey's Kisses. And they were $5.50 for 34 ounces. That's 3 times the amount of chocolate for the same price. So it can be a really good deal for baking chocolate, but once again, make sure you do your math. Now, of course, if you're getting the giant Hershey's Kiss as a gag gift or something, that's fine. I understand that. But just so you know, you can make your own giant Hershey's Kiss by taking a funnel, lining it with foil, and pouring melted chocolate in the funnel. Of course, you're gonna stop off the bottom there, but you can make a giant Hershey's Kiss yourself with just pouring your chocolate in your funnel and then wrapping the foil over top after it's set up, and you've got a giant Hershey's Kiss. Hand soap. Guys, the hand soap was 50 cents instead of $1. Now, these bottles are getting smaller, so inflation is going up, but it still might be cheaper than getting the hand soap in the regular hand soap aisle. So check out your prices once again and make sure, but I got a whole bunch of hand soap at Halloween for 90% off, so they were 10 cents a bottle. Start looking for those come around January 1st, somewhere around there. You might be finding some good deals on those things. Gifts for next year, I found these foot spas for only $10. That's a really good deal. And then they had men's Axe. If you have boys, they're teenagers that love the Axe products, they were 50% off. Those made great birthday gifts, great Christmas gifts next year. They had toothbrushes, kids' toothbrushes, made great stocking stuffers, birthday presents. You can get some of those for 50% off. Razors for 50% off. Then, of course, all your decorations. If you need new decorations for next year, be looking for those. Of course, I couldn't pass up this little gnome guy. He's not so little, but he was super stinking cute. Absolutely loved him. Then if you need anything for the kitchen, they have mixing bowls, they've got cups. If you need the containers where you put your drinks in and it has the pour spout, I have no idea what that's called, but anyway, they had some of those, they had some tumblers. And then if you need electrical stuff like electrical outlet, what do you call them, extension cords? They had all their extension cords for their outdoor Christmas lights. Guys, you can use those indoors also. So look at the extension cords, all the outdoor lights. That's a really good deal on extension cords. And then of course your gift bags, your gift wrap, all of those things that you keep needing to refill every year. And don't forget the candles. Now these candles are 50% off, but last year I got them for 75% off and I restocked my emergency stockpile. I was super excited about that. They were a really good deal for these larger candles that have a longer burn time. If you guys like these tips, please hit that subscribe button and the bell so you will get notifications when we have new videos on how you can save money. Go watch this video next. We will see you guys next time.